What if I told you that some of the things you do every single day are quietly stealing your mental strength? You might not even realize it, but these habits could be holding you back from becoming the best version of yourself. Welcome to today's video, where we're diving deep into the habits that make you mentally weak. Mental strength isn't just about pushing through challenges. It's about avoiding behaviors that drain your resilience and confidence. In this video, I'll share the top habits that sabotage your mental toughness, and, more importantly, how you can break free from them. Stick around till the end because the last habit might be something you've never thought of but could change your life forever. 1. Overthinking every decision. Let's start with overthinking, one of the sneakiest habits that erodes your mental strength. Do you find yourself analyzing every little detail, worrying about what might go wrong? Overthinking creates a loop of self-doubt that paralyzes action. While planning is good, perfectionism kills progress. Remember, clarity comes from action, not endless thinking. Start with small decisions, set a time limit for deliberation, and practice trusting your instincts. 2. Constantly comparing yourself to others. Comparison is the thief of joy, and more importantly, of your mental fortitude. Scrolling through social media, you might feel like everyone else has it all figured out. But here's the thing. You're comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. Instead, focus on your own growth. Celebrate small wins and remember, your journey is unique. Success isn't a race, it's a marathon, and you're on your own path. 3. Avoiding discomfort at all costs. One of the biggest mental weak spots is the inability to face discomfort. Whether it's avoiding difficult conversations, shying away from challenges, or procrastinating tasks that push you out of your comfort zone, you're training your brain to retreat when things get tough. Mental strength grows when you embrace discomfort. Challenge yourself daily. Start small, like taking a cold shower or speaking up in a meeting. Over time, you'll build resilience and confidence. 4. Seeking validation from others. Do you constantly need approval from others to feel good about yourself? Relying on external validation is a mental strength killer because it gives control of your self-worth to others. To break this habit, practice self-affirmation. Ask yourself, what do I think about this decision or achievement? Build an internal compass for validation, and you'll find a sense of freedom that strengthens your mind. 5. Dwelling on the past. Living in the past is like driving with your eyes fixed on the rearview mirror. It's natural to reflect on past mistakes or regrets, but when it becomes an obsession, it holds you back from progress. Instead of replaying old scenarios, focus on the lessons they taught you. Make peace with what's behind you so you can focus on creating a better future. 6. Letting fear dictate your choices. Fear is a natural emotion, but letting it control your decisions weakens your mental resolve. Think about the opportunities you've missed because you were afraid of failure, rejection, or judgment. The truth is, fear thrives in the absence of action. Start by taking small risks and gradually face bigger fears. Each time you act in spite of fear, you train your brain to be braver. 7. Surrounding yourself with negativity. You are the sum of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you're constantly surrounded by complainers, pessimists, or toxic individuals, it's going to drain your energy and mental resilience. Protect your mental strength by setting boundaries and seeking out relationships that inspire and uplift you. Positivity is contagious, so choose your tribe wisely. 8. Giving up too easily. Mental weakness often stems from a habit of quitting when things get tough. Whether it's abandoning a project after the first setback or giving up on personal goals, each time you quit, you reinforce a belief that you can't handle challenges. Build a habit of perseverance by breaking big goals into smaller steps. Celebrate progress and remind yourself that setbacks are part of the journey, not the end. 9. Ignoring self-care. Neglecting your mental and physical health is like trying to build a fortress on shaky ground. Skipping meals, sleeping poorly, or failing to take breaks might seem like small things, but they add up over time and weaken your resilience. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Prioritize sleep, eat nourishing foods, and make time for activities that rejuvenate your mind and body. 10. Refusing to take responsibility. Blaming others for your problems is a surefire way to undermine your mental strength. When you avoid accountability, you give away your power to change your situation. Mentally strong people own their mistakes and learn from them. Instead of pointing fingers, ask yourself, what can I do to improve this situation? Taking responsibility empowers you to grow and move forward. 11. Overloading yourself with commitments. Do you say yes to everything, even when you're stretched thin? Overcommitting leads to burnout and reduces your ability to think clearly and handle stress. Learn to set boundaries and say no when necessary. Mentally strong individuals prioritize what matters most and let go of the guilt associated with turning down less important tasks. 12. Allowing emotions to control you. Feeling emotions is natural, but letting them dictate your actions can be destructive. Do you lash out when you're angry or shut down when you're sad? Emotional self-control is a cornerstone of mental strength. Practice pausing before reacting. Take a deep breath and evaluate the situation logically. Over time, you'll learn to respond rather than react, strengthening your emotional resilience. 13. Focusing only on what you can't control. Do you often feel helpless or overwhelmed by things outside your control? This habit not only wastes your energy, but also leaves you feeling powerless. Shift your focus to what is within your control, your actions, reactions, and mindset. By concentrating on what you can change, you'll feel more empowered and less drained by external circumstances. 14. Procrastinating important tasks. Procrastination isn't just a productivity killer. It's a confidence killer. When you delay important tasks, you're reinforcing a habit of avoidance. This creates unnecessary stress and undermines your belief in your abilities. Break the cycle by tackling the hardest task first each day, using the momentum to build confidence and mental toughness. 15. Believing you're not good enough. Finally, the most damaging habit is convincing yourself that you're not enough. Negative self-talk can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, keeping you stuck in a cycle of doubt and insecurity. Challenge these thoughts by identifying evidence of your strengths and accomplishments. Surround yourself with affirmations, uplifting quotes, or even a supportive community that reminds you of your worth. And there you have it, -15 habits that can quietly make you mentally weak and how to overcome them. Remember, building mental strength is a daily process, and every step you take to break these habits is a step toward a stronger, more resilient you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.